Hello everyone, and welcome back to CryptoLiveLeak. Today we're going to be reviewing, doing some research, and live trading Stellar Lumens XLM. So over the past week, we've seen quite the run up for Bitcoin. It's broken the $10,000 mark, Ethereum had broken 500, and a lot of these other coins have been gaining recognition. Cardano, for instance, has gone from 4 cents all the way up to 13, 14 cents, peaking at about 17 during one upward thrust. We have Ethereum Classic back into relevance here around 30. And of course, e.o.s has made an extreme run upwards as well, breaking $2 up to 4. And let's not forget about IOTA, which keeps going up. Be sure to do a review about IOTA soon. But in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Stellar Lumens, which has been on a tear as of recent. Just to pop in here, let's take a look at the chart. And it looks like, wow, you can see here, it's been a direct spike upwards. Looks absolutely crazy. Let's zoom into the 7-day chart here. Alright, this looks pretty positive here. So we're back to over a high on the 7-day chart, it looks like. So this is some nice consolidation we see formed the past few days here near this all-time high, and then we had, of course, the breakthrough which happened last night, and I was actually able to trade into this right before it broke higher. So you see here about the 825 Satoshi level. That's right where the consolidation was happening, and once it did break the 830 Satoshi level, 835, you saw it run right up through 900, and eventually it did break 1,000 Satoshis, and I was able to actually sell out of some of the position above that peak. So still looking positive here. We can detail even further just to the 1-day chart to show this accentuated break in that consolidated pattern. So very positive move just happened in Stellar Lumens, highlighted even more over the past month. You'll see a low of in the 3-cent area USD, and of course today we're up around 12 cents, so that would be 4 times return US dollar over the past month for Stellar Lumen XLM. Let's check out with some of the markets we have here. Bittrex being number 1. We'll do some live trading on Bittrex XLM BTC pair later in the video. So popping over into the social here, it looks like someone here, Ella, Stellar has retweeted this, so maybe this is an employee here, about a trip to Seoul. So they have a conference, an Inside FinTech conference going on right now in Korea. So this is recent as of December 1st, so that would explain why some of this is going up. A lot of times when these companies go to conferences and spread the word of their blockchain, a lot of new investors come in, and it looks like Visa, of course, they're being associated with Visa because they're a payment focused company here, Stellar Lumens. Let's pop on over to their website quick, just give it a little review. So here we go. Stellar Lumens is open source distributed payments infrastructure. It's the future of banking. They do micropayments, mobile branches, mobile money. So I did read that they are about 1,000 transactions per second, so very close to what Visa is processing currently. So this could be a huge competitor for Visa in terms of scalable network transfers, money transfers throughout the world. This is a huge breakthrough in blockchain technology. This is faster than some of the leading blockchains in terms of transactions per second processing. Here, let's go to how it works, major Stellar concepts, how the network operates. So how do you send EUR to your friend using USD on the Stellar network? Let's start by explaining what exactly is a Stellar network and how it works. The internet is made up of a network of servers containing our data, websites, and applications. Like the internet, Stellar is a network of decentralized servers in many locations that power a distributed ledger. This ledger records every transaction in the system for people and companies alike. A complete copy of the global ledger exists on each Stellar server. An entity can run a server, the network becomes more robust with more servers. The servers communicate with each other to verify transactions and sync the ledger every 2 to 5 seconds. This mechanism is known as a consensus. The ledger records your money as credit, which is issued by anchors. Anchors act as bridges between a given currency and the Stellar network. Banks and payment processors are a good example of a real world anchors. So you can anchor different forms of fiat currency against the Stellar network. Credit is issued to your online account, which acts like a virtual wallet in exchange for your deposits. So they give you the credit of Stellars based on what your virtual deposit is of different fiat currencies. So anchors have to be trusted to hold your money and honor your withdrawals. So the anchor is the key here. Issued credit can be sent and received between people in a network. Stellar has a distributed exchange, so you can send EUR credits to your friend using your USD credit balance. The network will automatically convert it at the lowest rate for you, so taking out the middleman on the conversion. So you're not paying the fee to convert. Your friend will receive EUR credit, which she can withdraw using an anchor supporting EUR. So as long as the anchors are all backing and supporting the deposits, this should work and not have any problem of lost value. So this is a very cool concept here. If you could just credit your fiat currency to the system and then exchange payments with your friend cross-currency with minimal fees, that'd be great. So pretty normal stuff here. We see links to their Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, and so on. So let's dig further into those. Let's check out Twitter first. All right, so here over on Twitter, we'll see the top results. Let's see. XLM will be worth $1 by the end of March 2018. Quite the prediction. You know, I've actually seen this a lot. People in the community are predicting this $1 mark, and of course we're only at 11-12 cents right now, coming from just 3 cents a month ago. But if this is the target, this is the community feeling, you might actually see a run up there. That's what's been happening with these coins. So that would put the market cap right around 20 billion, actually 20 billion. So that's about half of what Ethereum is right now and twice as what Ripple is. So that would be quite an amount, quite the feat if Stellar Lumens was able to hit $1 per coin. Let's see anything latest. A lot of people are posting about trading this. Modest for 10 times gain. That's conservative. So people are really positive on this right now. Drink to celebrate. $2 million market cap. That's nice. Got the little minions there celebrating. Here's the post from Satoshi Pay partners with Stellar Org. Wow, this is pretty positive news here. So any kind of partnerships among these companies to advance their blockchain, advance their tech, advance their viewership and user base, it would be definitely good for the coin. So positive news why this coin is going up. Let's pop over to Reddit, see if we can find anything here. Small community on Reddit, only 870. So usually these have a bigger community. It's sort of odd to see a smaller community here. So we got up 26%. What is the best wallet? So these are some new time users coming into the space, probably because of the recent activity. Okay, I will drink a bottle of Taco Bell mild sauce if XLM hits $5 in 2018. Okay, that would be about 100 billion in market cap. I would love for that. I would love to see that. That would mean a lot of other coins have gone higher as well. Okay, popping over to Steemit. Any articles here? Okay, here we go. Stellar Lumens and Block Show Asia 2017. So this is the same name we saw earlier, Director of Partnerships at Stellar Foundation. So that is what we were looking at earlier. Was it on Twitter that we saw Stellar? They had retweeted. So that is what we saw earlier over here with the tweets that they had retweeted. So excellent. So this is all good stuff, and I see a lot of positive news that definitely makes me bullish on a coin. And what I'm looking at on the chart, so when I got in last night, I saw the consolidation off a long-term upward trend and suspected that it would move higher. I am cautious on getting into altcoins right now since we do have Bitcoin approaching the ability for futures to be traded on CME. So that's coming up on December 10th. So it's December 5th right now. I'm hesitant to get into altcoins, but I will buy a little here. I do currently hold some XLM. Let's see what we got. I'll buy a little bit here. It's been holding around 950 off this pullback, so it could be some consolidation to a further move upward. We are approaching this all-time high here on the Satoshi level, which is right around 1,000 Satoshis. I don't know if that's all-time actually. I think it could have been higher earlier this year. This is an important resistance point. Let's buy a little. So I'm going to enter an order here. This is my buy. We see the top of the book on the bid side. So bid is for buying orders, passive buying orders. This is all the passive volume sitting out here. We have a sum column here. So top, what is this, 10, 20 orders here are going to be a total of 8 Bitcoins. And we got about an even book right now, about 8 to 8 on each side. No significant size except right here sitting on the top of the book on the ask size. So let's help the cause and buy a little from the ask size. Clicking this will just, oh, I don't want to buy the whole lot. That's 500,000. Already got 29,000 of this, so let's just buy another 5,000. XLM at that price where we see the 5 Bitcoin sitting on the top of the ask book at 954 Satoshi. So buying 5,000 lumens, 954 Satoshi. Recalculate this, and it's only going to cost 0.04 Bitcoin. Let's do it. Buy and buy. Order placed, order filled. Took a little bite out of that size to help our cause on the way up here. And sitting at 34,000 coins, 34,000 XLM. So again, I would expect some more consolidation. I don't know if the move is going to go exactly up through the resistance at 1,000 Satoshi, but there's definitely a good psychological barrier with 1,000 Satoshi as well. So if we do break that, we could see a further run higher. That is the hope here. That is the vision, and we'll see if it plays out. But this is an overall great coin. I would recommend it. They do seem very serious on advancing payment transaction efficiency with low-cost financial services, and they're fighting poverty and maximizing individual potential. So definitely believe in this project. Stellar Lumens have believed in this for a long time, and it's finally getting some recognition that it deserves. Over a $2 billion market cap and growing. So very excited to see where this goes in the next few months, weeks, days, and hours. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you would please subscribe to the channel, follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and if you have any comments, just leave them down below. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again, and see you next time.